Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the Magento 2 AI Base Image Generator. Empowers admins to create real product images with AI. Choose the model's age, gender, body type, and skin tone for a custom look that matches your brand. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Today, we will check out the tutorial of Magento 2 AI-based Image Generator module. First of all, we have successfully logged in as admin. Here, we will move to a store, go to the configuration settings. Now we will select AI-based Image Generator option. To enable the module, select Yes option, fill the Gemini API key, select the Gemini model, and click on Save Configuration button. Now we have successfully saved the module configuration. To create a base image, we will move to Catalog, go to the Products section. Here, go to the Image and Videos option, click on Generate Image. Select the image here, select the model, age, gender, body wheel type, and skin color, and click on Generate button. Now the model image has been generated successfully. Click on Add the Image button. Now save the product on the product page. The model image has been listed. That's all for the module. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.